YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform an air fuel adaptation. So if you have a check engine light on, if you have engine misfires, there you just can't narrow it down to what's happening. These cars, what they do is over time they adjust the air and fuel ratio to compensate for things like using the the wrong fuel octane. For example, Volvos require premium for on a lot of cases, but if you're using regular gas, the car is going to try to adapt for that. If you are changing altitude a lot, whereas high altitudes, the car is going to try to compensate for that. So over time those settings can get kind of out of whack, and then what happens if you have misfires, you just can't narrow it down. So what we're going to do is we have the YOUCANIC scanner here, and we're going to use it to reset those values. On the YOUCANIC scanner, you're going to go to maintenance and do air fuel adaptation, and scroll down to Volvo, and we're doing select smart VIN. If it doesn't pick up the VIN number, you could manually enter it, but the easiest thing would be just do manual selection and select the model that way. And this is pulling up the VIN number, so it's automatically going to select the model for us. And this is our Volvo, so we'll press OK. And here we have resetting adaptation of fuel and air mixture, the fuel trim basically, and it shows which models. Not every single model you can carry this adaptation because the ECU might not support it, but press OK. And it's resetting adaptation. Press start. Mixture ignition is on. Resetting performed, so everything gets reset to like factory settings, so the car will start over basically with whatever settings it was when it was brand new that came from the factory, and it'll forget all those adjustment values that you might have stored over the last months or years that has been kind of monitoring things like fuel, air density, and things like that. So this is something that's worth running. It does not hurt anything, and it can make your car more efficient in some cases, or run a little bit better. And that's all. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.